Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well. Today's mission is giving this bee balm the haircut it desperately needs. But while we're out here, I also have a few other things on today's garden to-do list. We'll harvest a few herbs, tidy up anything the garden tells us needs attention. And I'll be installing some new solar lights from XM Cozy to brighten up the front walkway. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and come spend the morning in the garden with me. Hi, I'm Nikki. This is ELOC Nation, where we grow food, create home, and enjoy everyday life here in Maryland Zone 7B. This morning, Garden Auntie has a very important appointment. This plant needs a haircut. This bee balm has finished putting on its beautiful show. Now it's time to help it focus on producing fresh, healthy growth. As I prune, I'm following each flower stem down until I reach the first healthy set of leaves or a side shoot. Then I'm making my cut just above that point. This plant is a little beyond simple deadheading. She's getting the full salon treatment today. If your bee balm looks like this, don't panic. Bee balm is tougher than it looks. Oh, it smells so good. Wonderful. Oh, spider, get off of me. Trying to hitch a ride inside. Oh, this is looking so much better already. Can you see that? Before and after. Look at the huge difference in deadheading those old blooms. But when I tell you, the scent is heavenly. I love that. This plant was not getting very good airflow. So we're going to remove all of these bad leaves and flower heads just to give it some more airflow. Follow the stem down to the next set of leaves. Which would be like right here. And as you can see, already some new leaf production happening here. And this is where you'd snip it right there, just above it. This bee balm is a new addition to my garden. If you follow my Home Depot garden trips, you'll notice that I picked this one up recently. So, following it down to the next set of leaves, super simple to do. And hopefully, we will see another flush of blooms this season. My growing season here in Maryland Zone 7B normally ends in October. We've got plenty of growing season left. What are your favorite perennial flowers to grow in your garden? Let me know in the comments. This bee balm, this was a great buy. I've seen bee balm, but just never gave it a try. I'm so glad this year I have a new attitude. I have my favorites, but I wanted to try something different this year, and I'm so glad I did. So that is the mission, is to pick up some things that I've never grown before. And this is a perfect example as to why sometimes it's a good thing. Doesn't mean you'll love everything, but it's definitely worth giving it a try. And it looks so much better. Definitely giving this plant the airflow that it needs. We've just been hit with so much rain, more rain and heat than usual. This plant took a beating, and it'll definitely make a comeback. So let's finish getting this trimmed up. Well, look at that. Already looks happier. The scent is heavenly though. Overcast. I'm not sure if we're getting any rain tonight. Definitely tomorrow. So more rain on the horizon. Limelight hydrangea is showing off back there. Let's clean up this lemon balm. Nice chop. Also smells heavenly. And the leaves are looking a little pale. And again, I strongly believe it's due to all the rain and heat. It's usually this time of the year, Bee Balm is looking fabulous. So just going to cut above a leaf node where I see another set of leaves. And it's also flowering. I don't want it flowering just yet. So I definitely want to cut off the flowers. Come back with nice, new, fresh leaves that we will dehydrate for tea in the winter when everything is dark and cold outside. Can't wait to get to the solar lights. Taking a break, so I'm going to go inside. I'll come back out later on tonight and we'll get those solar lights from XM Cozy installed and wait for the sun to go down so that we can enjoy the light show. Well, that's nice. I'm going to take this one inside. That's a pretty one. We'll have some tea tonight. This raspberry vine is growing wild, so I am training it. And I'm using my pruners because I don't want to touch it because it's extremely sticky. So I'm using my pruners to weave it in and out of this trellis here. And who are you? You don't belong in there. Yeah, let's pull you out. I'm training this to grow along the trellis. Carrots produce this beautiful white fluffy flower here. Gorgeous. The bees love this stuff. Leaving it here to dry out. And more seeds that we are going to crush, crumble, and drop into the beds. And I'll show you that later. Be your best. Yucky spider webs. Grab this Thai basil as well. It's beautiful. Beautiful.
Young and tender. She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails, from seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe, make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick, better state that. ELOC rolling deep, can't break that. Young and tender, bringing that flame. From the dirt to the dish, she changing the game. Hydro locked in, ain't nothing the same. ELOC Nation, remember the name. Yo, yeah, tech, she don't follow, she lead. She planted, she grow, and she live where she speak.
I want to add one more little touch. XM Cozy sent over these solar lights, and I thought my front walkway would be the perfect place to try them. I think these make the front yard feel so much more welcoming. Well, ELOC Nation, I definitely call today a success. We gave our Bee Balm a fresh start, harvested a few herbs, cleaned up the garden, and added a little extra light out front. Thank you for spending the morning with me. If you enjoyed hanging out in the garden today, I'd love for you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Until next time, be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.